it comes to cracking competitive medical entrance exam like NEET, the right guidance, strategy, and learning environment play an important role. In a city like Bangalore, which is known as the educational hub of India, there are many coaching institutes, but one name that has been consistently delivering outstanding result is Plutus STEM. Plutus STEM offer live interactive class in Bangalore from Delhi. It has faculty having IIT and doctor quota. With its result-oriented teaching method, experienced faculty, personalized mentorship, and student-friendly approach, Plutus STEM has become the top choice for NEET aspirant in Bangalore. Let's explore in detail why Plutus STEM is considered the best NEET coaching in the city. First, experienced and expert faculty. At the heart of Plutus STEM success, it is highly qualified and experienced teaching team. The faculty consists of subject expert in physics, chemistry, and bio, who not only have deep subject knowledge but also understand the NEET exam pattern, marking, and the common challenge faced by students. Second, subject wise specialist. Each faculty member is an expert in their respective field in depth concept clarity. Interactive classes focus on doubt solving and conceptual understanding rather than rote learning. Third, mentorship approach. Teachers act as mentor, guiding student on academic as well exam strategy. Fourth, comprehensive study material. The study material at Plutus STEM is designed according to the latest NEET syllabus and exam trends. The content is comprehensive, helping students save time and focus on what truly matters. Chapter wise notes with diagrams, shortcut, and key formulas. Practice question worksheet after every class to strength learning. Fifth, personalized attention and small batch size. One of the major advantages of joining Plutus STEM is its small batch size, which ensure the each student gets individual attention. This is a big advantage over large coaching center where students often get lost in the crowd. Doubt clearing session after every lecture, one-on-one mentorship for personalized study plan, performance tracking to identify weak areas and improve the quickly. 6. Regular mock test performance analysis. NEET is not just about knowing the syllabus, it about time management, accuracy, and exam temperament. Plutus STEM conduct regular mock tests in NEET exam pattern to prepare student for the real challenge. If you are serious about cracking NEET and securing admission to top medical college, Plutus STEM in Bangalore is the best choice.